Good evening, everyone. Circumstances which exempt from criminal liability. The following are exempt from criminal liability. Provision number one. An imbecile or an insane person, unless the latter has acted during a lucid interval. When the imbecile or an insane person has committed an act which the law defines as a felony, the court shall order his confinement in one of the hospitals or asylums establishment for persons thus afflicted, which he shall not be permitted to live without first obtaining the permission of the same court. Provision number 3. A person over 9 years of age and under 15, unless he acted with discernment, in which case such minor shall be proceeded against in accordance with the provisions of Article 80 of this code. When such minor is adjudged to be criminally irresponsible, the court, in conformity with the provisions of this in the preceding paragraph, shall commit him to the care and custody of his family, who shall be in charged with his surveillance and education otherwise. He shall be committed to the care of some institution or person mentioned in said Article 80. Provision number 4. Any person who, while performing a lawful act with due care, causes an injury by mere accident without fault or intention of causing it. Provision number 5. Any person who acts under the compulsion of irresistible force. Provision number 6. Any person who acts under the impulse of an uncontrollable fear of an or greater injury. Provision number 7. Any person who fails to perform an act required by law when prevented by some lawful insuperable cause.